getting ready to leave. This rig here behind us is Greg's new truck. We're going to be pulling that trailer, and then Galen's going to be driving that white truck. So there'll be three of us, and we're heading out today. We are on the road. We're in Lander now, and just around the corner from where we're going to go. Heading up to the airport now. We're here at the airport, Lander Airport, and right over in the corner is the Lander site, which we're going to work on right here. Leaving the site here at Lander, headed to Pinedale. We're going to spend the night and get up and do Pinedale and head northwest. made it to Pinedale, Wyoming, is where we're going to spend the night. Heading to the hotel now and get logged in. And our hotel.